Assalamualaikum and good morning, kids. Welcome to Year 3 English lesson. Questions with possessive pronouns whose. So, I hope everyone will get ready. First, let's look at the objectives for today. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to listen and match at least 5 correct. Then, read and correct the sentences at least 3 corrects. So let's go for the first session, which is reading aloud. So I hope everyone open Get Smart Plus textbooks, turn to page 46, and let's review the vocabulary first. Okay, are you ready? Let's review the vocabularies. These are the vocabularies that we have learned before. First is cupboard. Yes, almari. Next is armchair. Exactly, it is a kerusi. Next is bookcase. Yes, that's correct, rak buku. Fourth is fridge, which is peti ais. And last but not least, hall. Now, hall is a space between the room. Ialah satu ruang di antara bilik. Okay, it's a part of the house. Great job, kids. So let's look at the textbook on page 46. Listen and read the story. So are you ready?
Mum, where are my trainers?
They're in the bedroom, in the box next to the bookcase.
Mum, these aren't my trainers, they're Tony's.
Mum, whose socks are these?
They're mine.
Whose shirt is this, Sue?
It's yours, Bill. Now, where's my coat?
It's on the armchair in the hall.
That's my coat. It isn't hers.
Oh dear. And that's not his, it's my shirt.
Oh,
So, do you understand the story? Great. Now, if you notice, there are a few words that you encounter. For example, mine, yours, his, hers. Those are possessive pronouns. So, let's look in detail what is possessive pronouns. Ready? Okay, let's look at the questions with possessive pronouns asking whose. So, today we are going to learn 4 possessive pronouns. Mine, yours, his, and hers. So, for example, the question, whose coat is this? Kepunyaan coat siapakah ini? So the answer is it's mine. Now, actually it can be it's my coat. However, to shorten it, it can become mine. My coat can become mine. Now, same goes for your. For example, your house. We can shorten it into yours. Kepunyaan awak. Let's look at a few examples. This will make you understand more about possessive pronouns. Now, let's look at the examples. Now, for example, look at the picture. So, this is my house. This is my house. Now, if we use possessive pronouns, we can shorten it. Kita boleh pendekkan dia. So, we can say, this is mine. This is mine. Okay? You understand? My house, we can change into mine. Now let's look at the next picture. Whose coat is this? Whose coat is this? This is your coat. Or if we use possessive pronouns, this is yours. This is yours. Your coat become yours. Kita pendekkan jadi yours. Now, let's look at the next example. Now, whose shorts is this? Yes, this is his short. Kepunyaan siapakah seluar pendek ini? Ya, kepunyaan dia. His shorts. Now, we can shorten it into his. So, the answer will be, this is his. Okay, ia menjadi ini kepunyaan dia. Now, let's look on the next one. Her. Now, whose dress is this? So, this is her dress. Ini adalah dress dia. However, we can shorten it. We say, this is hers. This is hers. So, her dress, we can shorten it into hers. Her dress, we can shorten it into hers. Now, let's do some homework. Okay, please get ready with your module and your pencil case. Ready? Now, the first one. Now, write the day and the date. So, listen to the audio and match the picture. Okay? You have to listen and match and then color the picture. Now, the audio will be given later. Okay? Now, let's look on the second task. Now, for second task, okay, now as usual, write the day and the date. So, this one, you have to refer to page 46 and correct the sentences. Now, I do it already for you for number 1. So, can we look together? Okay, for the first sentence, these are Anna's trainers. Okay, that is incorrect. Jawapan tu adalah tak betul. So, you should write, they aren't hers. They aren't hers. They are Tony's. They are Tony's. Okay, so Anna's trainers, we change it into hers. Okay, now let's look at number 2. Now, number 2, these are Tony's socks. Now, what you have to do, correct it. Tony's socks, we can replace with what possessive pronouns? Yes, his. Good. So, can you do it? Great. Now, let's look on the third homework. Now, for the third one is you have to write the correct answers. Now, let's look number 1. This book is for you. For you. So, you, the possessive pronouns is yours. Good. So, it become it's yours. Now, for number 2, it is the same with number 1. Those are my pencils. Now, my pencils, we can replace it with the possessive pronouns mine. Mine. Okay? So, can you do it? You just need to complete the blanks with 4 answers only. It's whether mine, yours, his, or hers. Great. I'll see you again on the next PDPR lesson. That's all for now. Goodbye.